In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Grammarly AI for professional document editing, step by step, so you can turn a rough draft into a polished, credible, and presentation-ready document. Whether you're working on a report, proposal, business email, white paper, or client-facing document, this workflow will help you clean up grammar, improve structure, refine tone, and check for accuracy all in one place. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software guides like this. All right, let's jump in. First, open your web browser and go to app.grammarly.com. Once the page loads, sign into your Grammarly account if prompted. After you log in, you'll land in the Grammarly Workspace, where all of your saved documents and editing tools are available. Now, if you already have a draft you want to edit, click on an existing document from your library. If you're starting fresh, click New or Upload, depending on what your account shows, and bring your document into the Grammarly editor. This is where the real editing process begins. Once your document is open, look at the vertical utility bar on the right side of the screen. This is the workflow we're going to follow in order, because it gives you the most complete professional edit from start to finish. The first thing you want to do is clear the technical base. Before you worry about style, tone, or rewriting, you need to fix the basic mechanical issues in the document. Click Grammarly Proofreader from the panel menu and review the suggestions inside the text. Grammarly will highlight spelling mistakes, grammar issues, punctuation problems, and typos. Go through each recommendation carefully and accept the changes that make sense. This step is important because it gives your document a clean, professional foundation. Next, move on to restructuring heavy phrasing. A lot of business writing becomes long-winded, repetitive, or packed with corporate jargon, and that can make it harder to read. Click AI Rewriter or Paraphraser from the panel menu, then highlight a dense paragraph and use a prompt like Rewrite in the active voice, or condense this executive summary by 20%. The goal here is to make your writing clearer, stronger, and easier to understand without losing the original meaning. After that, it's time to humanize the tone and predict audience impact. Sometimes AI-assisted text sounds too rigid, too formal, or even a little blunt, especially in professional documents. Click Humanizer to smooth out stiff sentences and give the text a more natural flow, while keeping it professional. Then click Reader Reactions and choose your target audience, such as executives, clients, or stakeholders. This lets you preview how your writing may come across so you can adjust the tone before you finalize anything. Now let's verify contextual accuracy. This part is essential if your document includes facts, statistics, internal references, or research-based claims. Click Fact Checker to scan the document for anything unverified or potentially inaccurate. If you're citing outside sources, studies, or references, click Citation Finder as well. This can help you locate, verify, and format missing citations so your document stays credible and properly sourced. Once the content is accurate, move into compliance, plagiarism, and sign-off. Click AI Detector to evaluate whether the document sounds overly automated, especially if you need to meet company or academic guidelines around AI use. Then click Plagiarism Checker to run a scan against web sources and make sure your text is original or properly credited. This is a smart final quality check before you share the document with anyone. Finally, click Authorship at the bottom of the bar. This gives you a breakdown of the editing trail and shows the balance of human input versus AI assistance. It's a useful final confirmation step before exporting or submitting your document, especially when you want transparency in your workflow. And that's the full Grammarly AI editing process for professional documents. If you follow these steps in order, you'll go from a rough draft to a polished document that looks cleaner, reads better, and feels much more professional. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.